Hello everyone and welcome back to Avicoder Creative Mind. This is Avinav and you are watching Avicoder Creative Mind. And in this video we are going to talk about which is the best software to do your typing practice. Typing practice is the most important skill in this computer and AI era. So I have found a very interesting, useful and free software to do your typing practice, which is Typemaster 11, and in future 12 is also going to come soon. But for now, in this video we are going to see how to install Typemaster 11, which is really a very good software for beginners. So let's get started after an intro.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
First of all, open Chrome or any web browser you want. Now here Typemaster download. Okay, Typemaster. You can see the first link which shows typemaster.com. Click on here. You will get this website. This is the main thing. You can also purchase a subscription of it, which will give you a tutorial also, which is very good. You can also play typing games like this with Type Games. It's also a software provided by them. There are many software which they provide. I will make a separate video also. This is also available in Microsoft Store also. By the way, you can also download it from there. So they also offer many courses. What are WPM, the types of keyboard sequence, they also teach that also. This is a very helpful website, by the way. So this is a school section in which you will get everything about it, how does it works, and if you are a teacher or a tutor, you can also see that what your students are doing in the other Typemaster software in their computer. So they also have a teaching management tool. So all around it's a very helpful tool. Okay, see, typing test plus diploma, it shows everything. So now, without wasting any time, let's get started to download it. First of all, go here and click on free downloads. Here you can click on download now. So it will start your downloading. Here it's done. Okay, so I will open it. Fine. Here is the software. Select the install mode. I will click on install for all users. Now allow the permission, give it a yes. Now you can select your preferred language. I will go with English here. Okay, its setup is very easy and very simple to install. Anyone can do it. Now click on next. Agree the terms and condition, which is of course very necessary, or else you will not be able to proceed. Now click on next. Now this is the location where it will be installed. Let it be the same, and it will only take 19.1 MB, which is very less. Now click on next again. You can also take this study material lesson editor if you want, but I will not take this. Typemaster meter widget also. This widget I don't want. I can uncheck. You can try it. Now I will click on next. This shows all the things. Now finally click on install, and just in a few seconds it will install on your computer depending on your computer's configuration. So let's wait. Fine, so it's already ready there. You can finish it. Okay, the setup has been completed. Now you can see this is the Typemaster. We can double click and open it. This is the main software, and this is the widget which I was talking about. Okay, it's on. You can take the you can upgrade to premium register product key, but you can also use it for a free trial version. Continue. I will enter my name. My name is Amin Mishra. It's already taken. By the way, it's never going to end. You can take some fast typing lessons here. If you are taking lesson, then you want subscription, I guess. but you want to test your typing speed, so you can go to this typing speed section and you will get many of them. You can see we will get many of the typing test text. You can click on whichever you want. Okay, I will go with this, and you will get a fixed duration of 2 minutes only, as you are in a trial version. If you upgrade to a premium version, or then you will get more features. First step is done, second step is done. You can click on start test. Okay, by the way, you can also view and print your results, and you can also generate a free certificate of your test. Okay, which is very helpful also. Okay, so this is the test. You will get 2 minutes and you need to type. Okay, so let's see what is my typing speed. Okay, so my results were bit poor, 33 WPM. By the way, I have started typing practice, and I know it's very important, so I'll try to make it a target of at least let's see 80 WPM for first, but my accuracy is fine, so I will try to improve it. And this was how you can get this Type Master 11. You can also see many things here. These are the games which you can which you can do. This is very nice. Okay, you can also get the statistics of what you have done, accuracy, typing speed. You can also give some settings over here, kpm or wpm. Okay, so you can also set the keyboard style also, actually, which you have. Sound is on, play theme you can also make it on. You can see this is the keyboard layout. This is the about section, in which you will get the details about yourself. So I have given you an overview of what is this software and how does it work, and this is the section where you can do your main typing practice. So that's it for today's video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye, and make sure to subscribe my channel, please. It would help me very much, and also give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you.